Yes, it was. Don't look in at me like that. Oh my god. How are you now? Welcome back to some more Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. We're doing nighttime. What a weird day. Do you want to go to bed? Yes, I do. Good night. All right, I'm a little nervous, but we got it. We got it, though. We'll be chilling. We'll be chilling. I wonder if there's a new thread. When you hear the monster's voice, right-click to turn off the living room lights. If you have enough time, do your other chores first. Oh. 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 When I hear the monster's voice. I don't like the sound of that. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. I think I heard some over here. I didn't. I lied. What does the monster's voice sound like? Am I gonna know it when I hear it, bro? Am I gonna know it when I hear it? I will know it when I hear it. I will 100% know it when I hear it. Oh my god, it's the fucking squawkbilly.exe, bro. Okay, yo, that was cool. Got me nervous, bro. That's cool as shit. I can't lie, that's cool. Just feel like I gotta check though. I mean, I know there's sound cues. I don't know which side that came from. Because there's no indication. Chilling. Okay. We're relaxing. In the lawn. Was that the monster? I'm guessing that was the monster. Yes, it was. Don't look in at me like that. Oh my god. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? You want to talk about what that was? I don't think I want to talk about what that was. Okay. Let's relax, guys. Okay, let's take a breather. How about it? GG, let's go, bitch. Let's go. Eat my taint. Put my old balls in your mouth. Gargle them. Gargle. Sorry. Good morning. Did you start your day with a bit of history? The answer is yes. I have some interesting to show you. Don't hesitate. Get to... Oh, crap. Oh, we forgot to prove our innocence, bro. I forgot to prove our innocence. Good morning. Hello, officer. What made you visit my holy place of lumber? Don't play, you know I'm here. I need to see the proof. Proof. Oh, that. Yes, I have proof. I don't know where I put it, though. It has to be lying around here somewhere in the cabin. I can't find it. Silly me. Give me a few hours. No. Why so froggy? That's it. You're under arrest for sleep disturbance and murder. Murder? Since when's that a topic? You know exactly what I'm talking about. The bird that was killed by one of your chippomats last night. Man, we really need a television. Come with me or else. Oh, shit. Fucking nailed him, bro. Fucking nailed him. Oh, Mike, violence isn't always the solution. That's what your mother always would say. That was a sick move. Good boy. You better throw him into one of the city's alleys. So when he wakes up, he thinks he drank too much. That is... Oh my god, you're fucking joking. I'm so slow. Oh my god, I'm so slow. This is torment. Save me. How are we gonna walk through this city without people noticing we're carrying a dead frog? Or a knocked out frog. Ew, that thing's fucking 80% off everything. Ah, what a nice, slow as fuck stroll, am I right? Hey, that frog's gone. I wonder if that was this guy's brother. Hey. Don't question what I'm doing at all. Don't let it cross your mind, bro. Don't let it even cross your mind. Uh-oh. Oh, we did it. What? Just what? That's all I get. Come over to the dump. I have something interesting to show you. Do you? You have something interesting to show me, really? That sounds ominous and menacing. I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know how to feel about that. The sound of it, bro. But I will. I'll come over. I will come over. Come into the dump. Hold up. Coin. Thank you. What is that thing? I wanted to make sure there aren't any more robots in the dump that are out for revenge. And I found this. A rocky socket for what looks to be the shape of a legendary spime crystals. It also already has one in it. It was a spime crystal, you ask? Hundreds of years ago in ancient Egypt, people wanted blah 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 blah, space-time blah blah blah, spime blah blah. They all died, whatever the fuck, screams, magic creatures and that stuff. And then I sold them on the market because the company wasn't paying off. I'm really curious to what will happen if we put them back in their sockets. I remember I sold one to Tinker the Owl back when he built that creepy looking machine, back when he built creepy looking machines in the forest. Then he retired and lives in the mountains now, so maybe he kept the spime crystal. So I'm relying on you to get up there and pay him a visit and bring me some oh my god, and bring me my spime crystal. Can I go this way then? No, mountains, I don't remember. Oh, unless you mean the fucking snowy area that I can't go into without dying. Unless that's what you mean. You know that place I go and die immediately? Yeah, I love that place too. You know that place that I can't fucking go. Ooh, Spadar. I need 2 more. I'm killing these things to get Spadar, by the way. I know I had stopped killing them for a while. But now I need something from them. Robotic wires, that's big. Oh my god, bro, kill me. Kill me right now. Fuck! God, pissing me off. Love that. It's like the best part of the game right now. Hold up. Okay, so how am I supposed to get past here? This guy wants clumps of snow, I remember that. Yeah, I'm gonna die if I walk forward. Yeah. So what do? What's the strat? What's the strat? How do I get past this guy? Oh, I got another drawing. Is there something in here that can get me what I need? Pillow. Doesn't look like it. Mini umbrella. Maybe we can, maybe the snowman will give us something, but how do we get the snow for him? Unless it's like the beach. Can I build here? I can build here. A giant umbrella. Attracts birds? What the hell? A powerful generator. Plus pearls. Super fancy seat. Okay, I'm guessing, I was hoping that you could get snowballs from walking across here and like clicking like you can on the sand. Clearly not. I was really beaver one's just kidding, you do me a little favor. Snow's about to give me a little bit of snow. You 20 chunks in our wardrobe, of course. Fuck me, dude. How do I get to the mountains? Unless this isn't the mountains. Hold up. No, it is. Look, it's a fucking mountain right there. So, like... What? Oh! Okay, this cloud is the thing doing it. Does that mean if I just... built this? Maybe. So I need a mini umbrella, so I gotta buy that. Hopefully. Hopefully. I'm fucking hoping. I can't really find any answers. There's no good wiki on this game, surprisingly. Well, I mean, there might be, but I guess... If there is, I have not... If there is, I have yet to see one. Okay, get the mini umbrella. Now I need a bunch of wood. Bunch of wood. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Come on. God, I need so much more wood. Holy shit, bro. Give me some wood. I don't have any more wood over there. Don't mind me. Just walking around to find... Ooh, can I do this thing yet? No. That's ugly. I need to chop wood. Chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. I need to chop wood. Hee. Thank you. Alright, let's grow this tree a bunch, I guess. I love it. Wow, this sucks. Holy dick. How much was that? Pretty much it. Let's do that again. Well, actually, how about I just go water a tree that's almost done? How about I do that instead? Or whatever the fuck it is I'm doing over here, being a goon. GG easy coins. Let's just do it with this one since it's almost done already. Okay, awesome. Not quite. Not quite. Now we have enough. Okay. Let's see if I can use the umbrella to get underneath that thing. I hope. This is gonna be a waste of fucking wood if it isn't. God, I'm hoping. Craft. Umbrella. That was it. Uh-huh. Ooh. Danger sign. Good to know. Ooh. Tinker's home. Oh, is that him? You need the spime crystal. How about you bring me some seedless grapes? Wouldn't that be a fair trade? Seedless grapes? Seedless grapes? I'm watering off the edge, bro. Seedless grapes? Really? This is what we're doing right now? How the hell do I get seedless grapes? Maybe some new shows up in the shop? Fucking no, bro. Seedless grapes? I'll take another drawing, sure. I don't know why I did that. How the hell do I get more seedless grapes? Seedless grapes? Where the hell do I get that from? Seedless grapes? Where the fuck am I gonna get seedless grapes from? I'm smelling a lick of bullshit. Just a lick of bullshit. Don't mind me, I'm just doing my thing. Okay, get me the fuck out. Okay. Let's see, can we like... Oop, coconuts, thank you. I appreciate the coconuts, I suppose. And the coin. Awesome. Good stuff. Okay. I don't know, bro. I'm lost. Any of you guys have wise words of wisdom? Okay. You know what? Whatever. Bring me a whale plushie. Those are very can only be found in the deepest deeps of the ocean. Alright, news flash. We're gonna start randomly interacting with a bunch of shit when we don't know what to do. Can we go in the ocean? What if I water the ocean? How do I get to the ocean? The deepest deeps of the ocean. How do I get there? How do I get to the ocean? Yeah, on Skibidi. Is there any way to get there? I mean, clearly there is, but it's like, how? How do I get to the ocean? I thought the beach was the closest I could get to the ocean. Do I need to look up how to get to the ocean or something? Oh, hello. Can I get to the ocean from here? I don't think so. I don't think so. Don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me. Oh, snow. How many do I have? I gotta check. You. No, he wanted 20 of them. 1, 2. Here. Come on. Uno mas, uno mas. That was uno mas, right? Yes, it was. Okay, cool. Let's bring it to that guy. See if that guy has anything for us now. Maybe a way to get to the ocean. A golden acorn. Okay, now I needed. Now I need. How many fish do I have, by the way? Okay, 5 more fish, and I can make that one thing. Okay, so how do I get to the ocean? I didn't. Why the fuck did I do that? It doesn't really matter. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. That guy's still just whining and bitching. It's just something. Wait, look at this. Wait, I bet this is hooked up to something. This is out of order. I bet if I put it, there's an item called the power supply. I bet if I put the power supply here, it'll make this thing work, and then I can take this thing into the ocean. That's what I'm gonna bet. That's what I'm gonna bet. I'm betting right now. I don't know for sure, but I'm betting. Light bulb. How do I get a light bulb? How do I get a light bulb? A light bulb. Can I get it from these things? A light bulb? How do I get a light bulb? I don't know. Well, oh, wood. Wood up a storm, bro. Okay. It's gotta be in the city. It's gotta be somewhere in the city, right? Like, it's gotta be the clicking on something light related. Let's click on anything in there. These things aren't buildings I can enter. Just I know if I'm clicking on the stupid fucking palm trees, that clicking on shit in the background is what gives you stuff sometimes. Is there anything in here? Light bulb? Fuck you! I'm mad. Whatever. Power generator. Build. It is! Oh, yo. That's a big-ass whale. Don't swim any further. There's a monster hiding in the caves. We have to get rid of it first before we can let any tourists. Let in any tourists. Our problem is we don't fit in the caves. We're just too huge. Hey, what is this device? Seems like technology's been giving our friends something far more powerful than we could ever provide. Well then, go on, little volunteer. I guess it's up to you to clean this place. Ooh. Back up, guys. I'm gonna take a guess I don't want to touch those. Okay, so my hitbox is huge. Got it. Got it, my hitbox is enormous. I understand. I will always take free money. What the fuck? How the fuck? I have to face tank this thing, right? I must have to. Ooh, we duck and weave, bro. We duck and weave. Right, let's go. How the fuck do I get down there? Ow. You can just go through blocks? What the hell? Oh boy. Those are not fun. Okay, whatever. You know what? I don't really care. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, we can say fuck those coins is what we're gonna do. Eek. Feels like it's about to be boss territory, dude. The hearts are up there. We fought in a few bosses in our times. As in 2. Ooh. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just like a run and gun type thing. Oh my god. World's hardest game type shit. The training. God damn it, bro. Going through the rocks. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, how I love it. Oh, this is ass. Okay. Look at that. Just give me a life out of nowhere. There's gonna be a boss, isn't it? Oh, the music stopped. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, boy. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go fast. Go, bro, go! Don't do this to me, bro. Come on, we're keeping a good rhythm right now. We're keeping a good pace. That was not good pace. That was very not time-savvy. Let's just keep going. Don't let anything stop you. Just go. Bro, I'm trying right now. You have to face tank these fish, dude. Let's go. Oh, I'm full health. Who is this? What are you doing in my cave? I don't like unannounced visitors here. Get out. Alright, one moment. Alright, we got some... What the fuck is that? Yo, that's actually kind of fucking creepy looking. Rockaro. Oh, it's just you. Justin Beaver Jr. I've heard a lot about you. They say you're a brave little boy, eh? Well then, your right end's here. I'm not giving away my new home to these fatties. Do you know what the whales did to me? They ate my children. They committed rock genocide. These oh, he's fucking pissed, bro. These caves need to be safe from those all-swallowing machines. And guess what? You're next to say bye-bye. Uh-oh. Hey, buddy. Oh, you're shooting those things at me? Okay, let's chill. Let's chill. Oh. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, yeah, you shoot those at me, buddy. Keep trying, bro. I believe in you. Look at my front shot, bro. Look at my front shot. Front shot goes hard. Going over here again? Let's chill. Bro, he looks like the whole game looks 3D, but he looks like especially 3D looking. Like it's weird how 3D he looks. You know what I mean? How do I beat this guy, by the way? Looks like he has a circle on his face. I wonder if I click it. Maybe that's stupid though. You never had to click before in a boss fight. Yeah, no, it's not. I feel like I'm not. I feel like I'm missing something, bro. I feel like I'm definitely missing something in this fight. What am I missing, bro? He's getting faster, clearly. Is it just like a survival section? I don't know. I don't really know what's going on right now. Cause I don't have anything to like attack with. It's like, it's not like I can even hit him while he's out. So I'm really just at a loss right now, bro. What am I meant to be doing right now? What am I meant to be doing? What the fuck is my hitbox? Are we gonna do something here? Is something gonna happen? What the hell is going on? I don't have anything to try. I literally have nothing to try. No keys do anything. Yeah, no, I literally just pressed every key on my keyboard. Not a single key does anything. So what the hell are we doing? What is the point of this fight? What is the point of it? This is really stupid, by the way. I'm assuming I'm just gonna have to dodge type thing. How do we fight the thing? This isn't much of a boss fight, you know. There's gotta be some way to beat her, I just don't know how. I'm looking at her wiki right now. It just tells me what her gameplay stuff is. How the fuck do you beat her, bro? Is it a her? Yes. Yes, she is. Yeah, she's my children. Of course it's a female. You defeat her. Yeah, I know what happens if you defeat her. How do we beat her though, bro? Is it really just a key I'm missing right now? Oh, what the fuck are we? What do we do, bro? How do I hit this thing? Bro, I literally have nothing to deal damage at all. Wait, hold up. Are you serious? If you hold shift, you shoot shit. I'm pissed. It didn't tell me that. I'm mad. Why didn't it tell me this? Bro, now I'm at 1 heart. Okay, whatever. Whatever, we know what to do now. Oh shit, now it's fast. Not shooting stuff anymore. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Relax, relax. Shooting the fucking blades at me now. Give me a break, bro. Oh, we're doing damage now. You don't like it when I'm shooting this stuff at you, do you? No, you don't. So back it up before you get smacked up. Oh, whoa, mad now, mad now. Bro is mad now. Oh yeah, that's a peeved mama. That is a peeved mama. Come on, work with me here, baby. You almost got me there, freak. You almost got me there, slime. Woohoo! Okay. Got it. Did I get it? Looks like its expression changed. Oh, we did it, thank God. Woo! Woo! Goon. Sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I need to chill out. It's late at night. I'm tired. Well, plushie. Send me to freedom, bro. Send me to freedom right now. I'm actually a genius, bro. I'm a genius. Seedless grapes. Okay, let me go get the trading the fucking seedless grapes for whatever the bullshit is I need. Oh. Yeah, I might as well click everything to get the coins. Farm coins for the pearls. You know, type shit, type shit. I can't plant there. Which makes sense. Okay. Ooh, thank you for the grapes in my spine crystal, Hoot. Just jump off this very cliff. You'll find it eventually, Hoot. Feel like getting some of these. I don't know, I don't need them. Don't feel like coming back. Ooh. Ooh. The fuck is this weird ass minigame now? I'm following it, bro. I'm following them. Ooh. Flowers slow me down a little bit, I see. Ooh, gotta cut it close there. Kinda getting it tight. Tight shit, tight shit. Ooh. 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 Got it close there. Oh boy. Oh boy, we're still going. Gotta lock in, bro. I gotta lock in, please. Let's relax a little. Damn it! Damn it. Damn it. We'll beat it in the next episode.